Hi everyone, I am Yasuka and it's time for Massage Monday. A while ago, I received a request to make a video for Restless Leg Syndrome, also known as RLS. I've been looking for information on what you can do to alleviate it massage-wise. Restless Leg Syndrome seems to be a symptom of many possible causes such as alcohol and caffeine intake, medications, pregnancy, smoking, various diseases such as Parkinson's, rheumatoid arthritis, diabetes, dopamine deficiency, iron deficiency, and even genes. So these are some things that you can look into because I believe it's easier to fix the symptoms if you know the cause and if you can fix the cause. At least that's my approach. I found 2 case studies done with massage. It's not very much, but what I've read was still encouraging because massage did help reduce the restless leg symptoms on the subject in the studies. In one study, a subject received 45-minute massages twice a week for 3 weeks. She reported a decrease in the restless leg symptoms, which were tingling sensations, urgency to move the legs, and sleeplessness after 2 treatments, and continued to improve throughout the 3 weeks. The massage techniques used in this study was myofascial release, trigger point therapy, deep tissue, and sports massage focused on the lower extremity, focusing on the piriformis, which is in the buttocks area, and hamstrings. In another study on 90 kidney dialysis patients, the subjects who had better results on restless leg symptoms received oil massage with effleurage techniques. Effleurage is a flowy massage technique used in Swedish massage. I've also read articles that massaging your leg before you go to bed will help reduce restless leg during sleep. One of the believed causes of restless leg is lack of dopamine, and massage helps to increase dopamine levels, so maybe that's why it's helping. So massage does seem to help alleviate the restless leg symptoms, but it costs a lot to make those massage appointments unless you're the subject of these studies. A good alternative is a leg massager. Some even say RLS. If I were to pick one for myself, I would choose something like this with a remote and rechargeable battery so I can use this anywhere on a couch or bed. It's highly rated, and one of the reviewers said massaging helps a lot for his or her mild restless leg syndrome. By the way, if you want to volunteer as a subject for a research study, I read you can contact the clinical research department at local universities and hospitals. Or you can go to these websites to look for one. Personally, I'll be scared to be a guinea pig for drugs, but I did research on massage, and I found a total of 255 studies with 27 studies currently recruiting worldwide. Unfortunately, not in my area. And I did a search on clinical trial on Craigslist, and there were 51 listings with duplicates in my area, but no massage-related studies. I will include all the links mentioned in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe.